Today I'll show you step-by-step how to use CapCut Pro for free. After you got the free CapCut Pro, how do you record your tutorials, reactions, or edits cleanly and clearly? With Eassiy Screen Recorder Ultimate, you get over 10 powerful tools to capture anything: your screen, phone, gameplay, webcam, or audio, with smart features like real-time annotation and auto-stop. Record like a creator. Download Eassiy Screen Recorder Ultimate today. Link in description. Let's dive into the CapCut Pro tutorial. Alright, first, I want to show you that I'm using a free CapCut account, as you can see. Now, let's test out our trick. I'll start by uploading a file and using one of the Pro features. Here's the file, and we're going to use the auto caption feature, which, as you can see, is a Pro feature. For new users, you might get a free trial of the Pro features. But today, I'll show you how to access Pro features without even needing to export the file. Okay, we're done with editing, but let's try exporting it first. As you can see, we can't export because the file contains Pro features. Now, pay close attention. First, select all the files in the timeline project. Next, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. After that, your files will merge into a single clip. Then, right-click again and select Pre-process Compound Clip. This step is crucial. You'll see a loading bar while the process completes. Wait until it reaches 100%. Now your project is saved in the cache draft. Let's find it. Press Windows R, type App Data, and click OK. In the folder that opens, click Local and find the CapCut Drafts folder. Inside the CapCut Drafts folder, search for Combination. You should see several folders. Find the newest one, that's your project folder. Open it and you'll find the pre-processed file. To make sure it's the right file, open it and check.
Hi, young man. I have good news for you. You want a 15 months
As you can see, this is the file we edited with the Pro feature earlier. Finally, simply copy this file and paste it into a new folder, and that's it. Congratulations! Now you can use your edited video with Pro features, even without exporting it.
Hi, young man.
Don't forget to save and subscribe to our channel for more cool tricks and tutorials. See you in the next video.